Does it have a steering wheel?
No, it doesn't.
So it has handlebars.
It has handlebars.
Okay. Cool. Okay, so it has wheels though.
It has wheels.
Does it have more than 4?
It does not have more than 4.
Does it have 4?
It does not have 4.
So it's a 3-wheel fucking.
It might have 3.
Okay. Is this thing red?
Yes.
Ooh, it's red. It's something that's not commonly seen.
I've never seen one.
Never seen one. So it has a horizontal shaft motor?
Yes.
Is it rusty?
There will be some rust on it.
Okay. 1-seater? 2-seater?
1-seater.
Okay. Does it look like it belongs on a farm?
Yes.
So it's a piece of farm equipment?
It could be.
Yeah. Okay. Is it worth the 2-hour road trip?
I'm not quite sure.
Okay, surprise, surprise.